you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but.
Fam, it's Joy Shopish TV, and we're back for another video. We are at Big Lots, and we're here to check out and see what they got. Let's get into it. Let's see what they got. I'm walking into a lot of spring 2022 summer stuff, so make sure you tune in. All right, let's go. Fam, so when I first walked in, I seen these nostalgia little your popcorn maker and your brownie bacon maker. Look at that, it's pretty cool. That's $29.99. And then they also have your electric shave icer. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty cool for the summertime. I have to think about that for the girls. They still got your fondue maker and your s'mores maker. So hey, they even got the margarita makers for us moms out there. Make sure you check it out. Look at this cool wireless speaker here for $25. It's a wireless speaker cooler. That is something really cool to have on the beach. They even have your Margaritaville clock for decor. Look at these cute little cups here, little chill bar, huh? Those are darling. Don't want to move them because they're like very thin. They also have this too, Margaritaville. These dispensers are cute. Don't see a price on those, but those are darling. And we gotta make sure that the puppy dogs are included in the summertime fun. Got the cute little outfits. Look at this little bathing suit for your little doggy. They got your bandana, your little doggy hat. Isn't that so cute? Let's see how much this doggy hat is. It is $6, and the swimming suit is $10. How? I'm talking about getting ready for summertime. Look at all of this outdoor decor plates and bowl sets that they have here at Big Lots. Pretty cool. Nice little platters for your parties. I am loving it. Let's see how much this bowl is. That is $10 for the bowls. Looks like the plates are $10. And then the smaller bowls are also $10. So all the different sets are $10. They even have your little wooden bowls and trays. Your galvanized bowls here. They're pretty heavy too. And you have your little platter tray, your little beverage dispenser here. That's $20. That's a good deal. I actually need a couple of those for Diamond's open house. I know where to come. Got your little plant water there, your little toucan. Isn't he cute? I am loving this. They have like everything for summertime. Look at that cute little party stand for $110. That's something you could always have forever. They also have paper plates too. Bam, I was going down the aisle and look what I found. Water outside door toys for the kids. Isn't that awesome? It might not look like summer outside for some of you guys, especially in the north like us here in Michigan, but hey, in the south, I know it is looking like summertime. Look at this 4 in a row, and this looks like you can put it outside on your lawn, and it's large and you can play with it. What would you call that game? You guys leave it down in the comments. You know what I mean what that game is. I'm having a mind blank here, but look at this 2-in-1 beanbag toss. That's pretty good for $25. Pretty good. You got your outdoor basketball stand, your skill ball game set, large Jenga. Pretty good deals. I'm loving these little kid wagons here. Let's see how much those are. They're $16, and it looks like it has like the sand shovels and things like that. This caught my eye here. Look at this large. Look Look at this large chalk set. My daughter would just love that. If you're looking for a life jacket for the babies, they also have those here at Big Lots for $20. I know these were really hot this summer. I actually was looking one for Serenity, like the larger one that they had at Sam's Club, but they have them for the babies for $15. These little sprinkle splash mats. Fam, I found something new at the Gain Mr. Clean Freak for $5 at Big Lots. I am gonna try that out and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. I was just running out of that and I was just thinking, I wish they had a Gain one. I know they have one for dish soap, but I'm gonna try that out and see how that works. They have small space Febreze scents here. They have your Gain car Febreze scents here, and let's see, they have your snuggle scents for your home. So they also carry those at Big Lots too. Pretty cool. And it looks like the small spaces is $3, and then the ones for your car is $5. They got pretty. They got all kind of cute little sandals for the girls and the boys. I'm loving these little princess sandals. They also have little glitter sandals. Look at that, the ones for the boys. They have Reeboks in blue and red. Hey, even Baby Shark, can't forget the babies. It looks like they're running about $12 each. Ooh, look at those Minnie Mouse ones. Fam, you're looking for luggage. Here you go, Big Lots. Look at this big, large one here. This is $84.99. It's your hard case, and they have it in the silver and the pink and also the red. This one looks like it has a lock on it. Pretty cool. That's a good deal. They also have smaller ones too, and they have the smaller ones in the black. Let's see, let's get a price on that. Hold on one second. Okay fam, these are red tagged for $64.99. Not a bad deal. Ooh, I'm loving this orange set here. Look at that, that's RBX. That's pretty cool. Man, look at this big, large bottle of adobo, cilantro, and lime for $2.99. I think that's an awesome deal. I think I seen it at Myers this weekend for like $7. I might be wrong, but that's a pretty good deal. Look at this. I had to check this out. Isn't this a cute display for Yankee Candle? Never knew they sold Yankee Candle at Big Lots. Let's see the price that they're charging on these. I don't see any price on them. I'll have to figure out for you, fam, and put it down below for you guys. But look at all these different candles. Looks like this one is like a sage. I want to smell and see how much that smells like. Let's see. That sage smells so good. Let's see, this one is sand turf. This one is sunny lemon. This one is pink. What is that? Jasmine vanilla. Sunset lavender vanilla. Oh, I gotta smell that one. Guys, that one also, that sunset lavender smells so good. Island cooler. And then I'm also seeing coconut milk. Smells so good. I have to find the prices on this for you. And last but least, fresh mandarin. Go ahead, Big Lots guys. You stepping it up, Guys, I found the price on it. It's $14.99. That's a steal. All right, fam, well, I'm gonna get out of here. That's all the new things that I've seen in this store, but I'll make sure to grab another new location that I'm gonna try out in another city, and I'll make sure to let you guys know when I post that. But I'll check you guys out in the next one. And if you're new here and you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe. All right, fam, see you later.